Recently, we have been getting a lot of RS6s and RSQ8s breaking down, and they're coming down here, sticking onto our ramps, and parts are getting delayed, and it's costing the customer a lot of money. Now, why? Check this out. A lot of them come in for alternator failure and the 48 battery failure. Now, how can you go wrong here? Now, the alternator that charges the 48 volt battery costs around about £1,500, and the battery the same, 48 volt, £1,500. Now, where you can go wrong is if you misdiagnose the car, you can end up replacing the alternator and the battery, which will cost you around about £3,000. Now, how do we fix it? First things first, we put the car on charge. You can't do it normally. You have to plug in Audi and unlock the battery so that it accepts the charge. Now, once it's fully charged, or if it doesn't hold charge, then the battery needs replacing. If it's holding charge and then starting the car up, the battery's not getting charged, the alternator needs replacing. But before we replace the alternator, we check all the fuses, all the wiring, making sure everything is fine, the earth system is fine, and then go into looking at the alternator, which is here, and then opening it up 9 times out of 10 from the back of it, which is the control module, built-in control module, and there's a coolant system here where it cools the alternator down. The coolant ends up going into the control module and killing the circuit board, which will cost you about £1,500. Now, this is what you call experience.